Hey guys, TC Triangle here, and today I'm going to be opening two figures that I bought in Japan. One is this Homura figure from Banpresto, and the other is this Madoka figure, also from Banpresto. Now, the thing about Banpresto's figures is they're always prizes. So they're prizes from the claw machines that you see in arcades around Japan. So for this one, it's a set of two. There's Homura and there's Sayaka. And then for this one, it was either Madoka or Mami. And that's from the claw machine. So the claw machine, you could either get this one or this one. And you could get either this one or this one for this set. So, but as you can see, I bought them both for pretty cheap, $9. Normally, each try takes 100 yen, and you're probably gonna need at least a few tries to get successful, and sometimes you're never gonna get successful at getting it from the claw machine. So that's why I think 900 yen for a figure is pretty cheap. So let's go ahead and open these up and see what. I think I'm going to start with Madoka first, actually. And I'm going to be making a video guide on collecting anime figures, so you guys should stay tuned for that. Let's get this open. Okay, so let's see what's inside. So this is what you get inside of the box. And you have to, there's some assembly involved, but for the most part, they're pretty pre-made. It's actually pretty small, smaller than I expected. Here's the stand with Madoka's gem. Here is Madoka's upper half. Yeah, here's her upper half. And here is her lower half. So let's just quickly assemble these. See, this goes here, and this goes here. So here's the final product. Let you guys get a close-up. Not bad for 900 yen, which is about $10. I mean, it's pretty decent quality. Not as good as the, Good Smiles or the Kotobukiyas or the Altars. But those are usually 5,000 yen or $50 and above. Considering this one was only 1,000 yen, or 900 yen. Or if you got it from a claw machine, probably didn't take you 50 tries. So I'd say it's worth it. Kind of small though. Now let's move on to the Homura. A bit harder to open than I expected, but here it is. Let's go ahead and open it up. Should be around the same thing. Yeah, it's the same thing. So here's Homura's upper half. Here's the stand. And here is the lower half. So let's quickly put it together. One thing I've noticed is that these stands aren't the best. I mean, if you don't put it exactly on a flat surface, they'll probably topple. So here's the finished product. Again, not the best quality, but pretty detailed for 900 yen. Can't really complain. And here are the two of them together. And I guess as a comparison, I'll use my iPod. My iPod Touch is this size. So they're about 1.5 times bigger than an iPod Touch, but not the biggest. So thanks for watching. And next time, again, like I said before, I'm going to be making a guide on anime figures. But before that, I am going to be unwrapping Good Smile Company's Mami Tomoe figure that I got straight from Akihabara. So I'll see you guys.